Hi, I'll show you how to remove and put back Bowers and Wilkins P7 wireless over-ear headphones earpads, how to remove and add a new audio cable. The ear pad cups are held to the headphones by magnets, but as the ear cups are very old, they are a bit stuck. Don't be afraid to rip them off. Something's leaking out here. The earpads are really old and damaged. Putting the earpads back on is so easy. The earpads have to be put on the two centering pins and done. The magnet fixes it. It's so easy to do. Replacing the aux audio cable is also not difficult. Remove the earpad's cushion, lift the cable up and disconnect it. It's a 2.5mm jack. Add a new cord, and lower it into the groove. Put the earpad on and done. The cord and earpads can be replaced so easily. You'll find earpads links for new earpad cushion and replacement audio cable in the video description. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. To help me grow and make many more good money-saving videos on headphone repairs. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. Thanks and have a nice day, buddy.